have continued to worship at this altar of climatology, continue to promote global warming. But look, let's talk facts here. We used to have a vibrant timber industry in California. We used to allow public grazing with cattle that would be on the hills. And what's happened here is we're not grazing as much as we used to. And all the timber industry, for the most part, has been eliminated. And right in my backyard, in the two counties that I represent, we've burned almost 300,000 acres. And we haven't been able to see the sun in my district for a week. And this is caused because the access roads are all overgrown. Trees are continuing to go, underbrush is undergrowing. And if you want to manage the forest, you have to treat it. These are living things.
No, Eric Yonder. What are you doing with the water thing?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Isn't you Pixie too? Hi.
Hey, I once.
Start over. Don't
Let's start over again.
Okay, from. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. Just wait. When my hand goes bump, bump, that means start singing, okay?
Amazing.
No, 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 no. Wait till it starts. This means stop. Oh, sweet.
The sound that saved a wretch like me.
No, don't do
I once was lost your butt, you know it. But now she started to turn that water on. Look over there. Mama playing with her new camera. She went and bought her another camera. Ain't a new one, but new one to her.
I wanted a second one.
You wanted a what?
I wanted a second camera because sometimes I use a short and long lens at the same time.
So she got her another camera. We coming back from Fort Walton. I'm trying to hurry home so I can get home, catch my boy back to a ball game. She going to a ball game to watch the granddaughter dance. And I'm gonna go watch the grandson play football. I'd go to the granddaughter's dancing, but she gonna have a lot of basketball games to dance in. She's a senior in high school, and they moved the game up. I don't know why they had to move it up. Been a lot easier on me if they'd kept it on Friday. But we going. I'm on beating it back to Crestview. Hope I can get through this traffic up here. But we headed that way. I'll talk to y'all later. I know better than to do this.
What?
What did I do this for?
Oh, coming to the...
Go to Fort Walton at this time of the day.
Because of me.
Because of you.
Yeah. Is that a good reason?
That's good enough, I reckon. Good enough. Come on in, folks. I'm gonna let you in. I ain't gonna root you out. Lordy, lordy, lordy. We about 5 miles from Crestview and we in a parking lot. Maybe we'll make it. One day. I could solve some of this traffic problem, but nobody wants to listen to me. If they would stagger non-essential personnel, have some of them come in at 6:30, some of them come in at 7 and 7:30, that'd take 2/3 of your traffic off your road in a 30-minute increment. You could have that on a rotating basis, so once every 3 weeks you'd come in late, and once every 3 weeks you'd come in early, and 1 week he'd come in on time, 7. But no, we'll all just wad up right here and spend an hour in traffic. Traffic backed all the way up to field 3. I mean, it's all the way, I guarantee you, to Highway 90 in Crestview. We'll get over to Crestview Hill, you can see what a little bit of what I'm talking about. See it all the way, way up yonder? I can see traffic 2 miles away. I can see lights 2 miles away. Maybe 3. We just sitting all up here in a wad, running about 25, 30 miles an hour. Get on up here close to these red lights, it'll slow down to a crawl. But we'll get there. I don't come this way much at this time of the day. I usually try to plan my trips earlier or later. Yeah. We coming back from Fort Walton. I'm trying to hurry home so I can get home, catch my boy back to a ball game.
Fielded by number 25, Chris Gosher. Pushed out of bounds by the Rams' number 21, Ryan Smith. It'll be 1st and 10 now for the Panthers. Ball is at their 30-yard line.
All right, Carson starting at quarterback tonight.
Quarterback for the Spartans, number 12, Carson Kolmetz.
I was waving like you went crazy today.
Kolmetz keeping around the right side. Good running. The Ram 49-yard line.
You gotta get up in there, son.
Kolmetz rolling to
I made this journey with you.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.